Before going into the topic details, I want to bring your attention to the UPSC coaching programs offered by ClearIAS. ClearIAS offers online and offline courses to help candidates get selected for prestigious government services like IAS, IPS, or IFS. ClearIAS, Prelims cum Mains, PCM course, provides a highly effective study plan, well-organized subject-wise videos, study materials, mock exams, and guidance to cover the entire GS syllabus of UPSC CSE Prelims, Mains, and Interview systematically. As a limited-period offer, there is a 40% discount on our online courses. Enroll now.
So, what are the contributions made by Jagdish Chandra Bose? So, first important contribution was in the case of plant physiology. Okay. See, as humans or animals, if we touch a hot object, we used to take our hand immediately. That is our reflex. So, it was earlier believed that animals or living organisms, like human beings, animals, only have such a reflex. Plant do not have any stimulus to the external, do not have any response to the external stimulus. But what Jagdish Chandra Bose depicted was like plants also have stimulus to external, response to external stimulus similar to that of animals. This was the first important contribution made by them. Okay. After that only many experiments were conducted based on the how the plant will respond in case of excessive sunlight, or how the plant will respond in case of lower moisture, like that. That is, external stimulus will affect the working or the normal functioning of plant. This is one of the contributions made by Jagdish Chandra Bose. So, he conducted experiments that demonstrated that plants, like animals, respond to external stimuli and have a physiological and electrical system as well. Okay, this is the first contribution by him. Next important contribution is the crescograph. Okay, crescograph, similar to what like he used this, or he invented this device to analyze the growth and movements of plants. Okay, with precision through the crescograph, the growth and movement of plant can be analyzed. This was the second important contribution made by him. The third important contribution is the radio and wireless communication. This was one of the ever important innovation made by him. Okay, radio and wireless communication. He conducted experiments that involved using millimeter wavelength to transmit electromagnetic waves, demonstrating the potential for wireless communication. As we know, since even now, we use wireless communication by transmitting electromagnetic waves, be it UV, be it radio waves. They are part of electromagnetic waves. But it was first initiated or depicted by the Jagdish Chandra Bose. That was a important or landmark innovation in the field of science. Okay, so radio and wireless communication. After his discovery, only various wireless communication researches were started. Okay. Next important contribution is the microwave research. Okay. Here also he used the electromagnetic wave. And he showed that these electromagnetic waves have similarity to light waves. We know that electromagnetic spectrum, the light waves and other electromagnetic waves are a part of it, right? So, he showed that the electromagnetic waves have existence similar to the light waves. And he specifically researched on the microwaves. Okay. Now we know microwaves are used in the radar system, telecommunications, etc. So, this research was also based on the discovery of Jagdish Chandra Bose. Okay, these are the 4 important changes or 4 important innovations or discovery by Jagdish Chandra Bose. Okay, so what is the impact which has created? in the world by these discoveries. Communications become efficient, then more advanced technologies have been initiated. Even in the case of plant physiology or the crescograph, we understood that plants also respond to the external stimulus like the way of animals. So we were more indulged into the plant physiology or botany part. Okay? See this question. Discuss the work of Bose-Einstein statistics done by Professor Satyendranath Bose. Here, the question, first part of the question discusses about the work of the Satyendranath Bose. Second part is show how it revolutionized the field of physics. So, we need to first see what are the innovations or contributions by a particular scientist, and from that we need to infer what is the impact which it has been created in globally or in the field of science. Clear? That is why I have asked what is the impact it made. Okay? So, first scientist which we discover is Jagdish Chandra Bose, and majorly 4 important contributions by him. First, in plant physiology, he identified that plants also respond similar to the animals in case of external stimulus. Okay? Second is the crescograph, which is a device which was formed to identify or to analyze the precision, the growth and movements of plants precisely. Third important another important contribution by him is regarding the electromagnetic waves. He analyzed the millimeter wavelength of electromagnetic waves, and he found that the radio and the wireless communication can be conducted using this electromagnetic waves. And then also he majorly focused on the microwaves. Okay, he said that the microwaves are similar to light waves and they can be used in various other usages like telecommunications or radar systems like that. Okay, so what is its impact? First is telecommunication has improvised and various research have been conducted. Then the more research in the case of plant physiology or botany, and also the security system has also been affected, right? Radars can also be operated by the microwaves. So radars are majorly for analyzing security system or for analyzing the precipitation. That is climatic speculation or climatic precision can also be analyzed during using radars. Okay, so it has a wide variety or wide arena of application. Clear? Okay.